powerful message from Intel's CEO Lip-Bu Tan to every Intel employee addressing recent news and controversies. Intel's future, a journey of strength and innovation. Lip-Bu Tan, Intel's CEO, has a deep connection to both the United States and Intel Corporation. Appointed in March 2025, he considers leading Intel at this critical juncture a privilege, not just a job. Intel's success is pivotal for U.S. technology, manufacturing, national security, and economic strength. Tan's motivation to join Intel stems from this very impact, and it drives him daily to advance the company's important work, addressing misinformation. Tan clarifies that his past roles at Walden International and Cadence Design Systems have been misrepresented. With over 40 years in the industry, he has maintained the highest legal and ethical standards in his global relationships. His reputation is built on trust and integrity, and he leads Intel with the same principles. Engaging with the administration, Tan emphasizes his alignment with the president's commitment to U.S. national and economic security. Intel, under Tan's leadership, is proud to be at the forefront of these goals. The company is actively engaging with the administration to address concerns and provide factual context. Transforming Intel, a progress report. The board fully supports Intel's transformation journey. Focusing on innovation for customers and disciplined execution, Tan highlights the upcoming high-volume manufacturing using advanced semiconductor technology as a major milestone. This achievement is a testament to the team's hard work and Intel's pivotal role in the U.S. technology ecosystem. Looking ahead, a clear mission and enormous opportunity. Tan's message is one of unity and purpose. He is proud to be on this transformative journey with Intel's employees, and he expresses gratitude for their dedication in strengthening the company for the future. A thought-provoking question. What are your thoughts on Intel's future under Lip-Bu Tan's leadership? Do you believe his vision and actions will propel Intel to new heights? Share your insights and opinions in the comments below.